What is up, YouTube? Welcome to the new video. Today with my voice again back. So I did a lot of POVs lately, but now I just want to say thank you to all of you. Over 350 subs on YouTube, so very thankful for that. You don't know how much that means for me. Like, for me it's just therapy to drive like on this on the way home from work also, and then just filming. Sometimes it's sunny, sometimes it's raining, like today. Like the last 2 days we were pretty good with the weather in Germany, so very sunny. But now of course weather is bad again. At least it's not cold, because last week it was snowing in some areas in Germany, especially in South Germany where I am living. But in this video I just want to give you a live update from my side. Like I like those POV vlogs from the car very much. And yeah, as I said, thank you very much for that many subs. If you comment in the videos, I'm very pleased with that. So I also got some hints, I would say, from my German fellows how to drive properly, but I answered them, I think, very well. Guys, do you see this sign? It's a BMW sign, so we can't drive. We drive like BMW drivers. Yeah, so and you don't need a M2, M3, M4, M5 to drive like a BMW driver. Yeah, you can do it also with a normal one. At least I have the M package, M Sport package. But what the content of the video is all about, and where I need your hints, your tips and tricks, your hacks. Oh, now this is the best sign ever here. Do you see it? Let's go. But unfortunately it's the commute from work, so everyone is driving at this time on German Autobahn, so it's full. But the content of the video is, I have big news. So I'm planning to do my license for bikes. There is a good point and a bad point. The good point about that is that I can record or film POVs also from a bike. The bad thing is it's a small bike, like it's only 15 HP, so 125 cc, so it's a small bike with 15 HP. But I think for the beginning, yeah, because I always drove a car, okay, I think I'm confident driving, also, yeah, sliding in winter and so on. I think I have a good intuition. If I'm driving, I know, I can see, okay, what can happen here. Is there a traffic jam or so? I would say I can do that good, but it's a different thing to drive on a two-wheel vehicle. Yeah? So on a bike I'm a little bit concerned. Maybe I'm taking it too serious, but I think you have to be careful with bikes. Yeah, it's something special, because you need that. It's more it's not something you can do out of the box. Like car driving, okay, there are good drivers, bad drivers, but I think especially bike drivers are like, yeah, as I said, very special. You need really to learn it, and you need talent also for that, I think. So I'm very I'm looking forward to it. but I'm a little bit concerned. I'm a little bit critical about me. Hopefully it is something for me. It also can be that I say to you, okay, I'm doing the driver license, but yeah, I can't drive. That would be the worst case, but I think I will do it. Yeah. So if you have hints for me for the first drive on a two-wheel vehicle, on a bike, especially on a small bike with not that many HP, then please write it into the comments. I'm really looking forward for that. I need every help. Yeah, if you're experienced driver on a bike, then please comment under the video. I need really tips from you guys, yeah, or hints. So that would be perfect from your side. In Germany, you can do your bike license if you have, I think, 5 years car license. Then you can do this license for, like, I am paying 800 euros. So it's much, to be honest. Also for me it's high amount of money. With that money, 800 euros, you can do a proper vacation. But I want to invest that money to do cool videos with POV from a bike. Will be fun, hopefully. Also in South Germany, driving through the hills, and so in my mind I have already a plan for that. But let's see. So 800 euros, and what you have to do is 5 theory hours, which you have to do. You don't have to do a test or so. So you just sit there, listen, and then you're done with that. And then you have to do 10 lessons for driving practice, each 45 minutes. But you can also do 5 sessions with 90 minutes, and this is what I want to do. I want to do 5 sessions, each 90 minutes, and I hope I can do it. Yeah. And again, you don't need a test, so not in theory, not in practice. So it's, yeah, I think it's easy if they did it like that. I think it's, yeah, doable, I would say. But let's see. Unfortunately, I can't film yet because I don't have a GoPro helmet or something where I can mount my GoPro on. I'm using filming in POV with a cap, baseball cap, and then I have a clip for that. So if you decide to start POV driving and filming and uploading it on YouTube, first of all, send me your videos in the comment. Do some marketing for you. I would like to see it, and it's very easy to start it. Yeah, because you have to commute normally every day somewhere, or you just like to drive something somewhere, like me. I like to drive because yeah, it's therapy for me. And then you can film, yeah. So, and this is exactly what I want to do with a bike. Do better POVs. And yeah, if you have a recommendation, hard word for a German, and you can listen also to my German beautiful accent. But I'm improving every day a little bit, and it's a good practice for me to speak every day. Like, it's something different in business, because I have to speak in English in meetings and so, and present something. But I think videos like this and talking about cars and streets and so on is something different. So as you can see, it's very crowded on the German Autobahn. Okay, so if you have a recommendation for a bike, very important, it has to be a 125cc bike. Yeah, I can't drive more than that. I don't want to do it because in Germany you pay a lot if they stop you, so I don't want to risk it for now. So if you have a bike for 15 HP, please comment under the video. I'm into cars, but I don't know much about bikes yet. So if you have something, please comment if you can do some recommendations. For now, I would say thank you very much. And as I said, please comment, please give me some hints. I try to update you regarding the license. Maybe I can't do it, but let's be positive here, and I will try to update you. But for now, I would say thank you very much for listening, and please like, subscribe if you want to support me. It brings me a lot of personal value because I like to doing this kind of videos, so it will be lovely. Thank you very much and have a nice one. Cheers.